This Saturday, it's all on the line as the Vegas Nighthawks, the Western Conference champions, take on the Eastern Conference champion Green Bay Blizzard. Live from the Tucson Convention Center in Tucson, Arizona. Game starts at 7:30 and it's going to be exciting, action-packed football. You're not going to want to miss it. But starting at 4:15 in the Tucson Convention Center, there's going to be the tailgate of all ages. There's going to be games and prizes, and Action Jackson and crew will be there. So check it out and be there or be square. Let's go, Vegas Nighthawks. Caw-caw!